Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Samsung SmartTag 2, and now I'm going to show you how to change the battery. To change the battery, firstly you should find this element of the SmartTag. As you can see, here is the place where we can insert the ejection tool. So here we have the battery tray. So firstly, just insert ejection tool, ejection pin in this place and press a bit. And as you can see, it's going away. So now we can take it off. And cool, as you can see, here we have the battery. And now we can remove the battery and insert new one. And just put it inside, and you will hear Samsung Galaxy SmartTag signal that now you can use it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.